walked with quiet footsteps, but his love was loud and strong. With every word unspoken, he taught us right from wrong.
Lolo Siste, your memory shines through every laugh and tear in time.
You built our hearts, you made us whole, a steady light, a gentle soul. In your eyes the story stayed, of sacrifice and pride displayed.
A soldier guide, a hand to hold, a man of honor, brave and bold.
Lolo Siste, your memory shines through every laugh and tear in time. You built our hearts, you made us whole, a